At what point can the pursuit of technical perfection become a roadblock to good, honest communication? Using a short musical example, I would like to explore the potential danger of being too correct and how to use pragmatic thinking in order to find the best solution. Our subject will be the music of Traverse Town, composed by Yoko Shimomura for the 2002 video game Kingdom Hearts. It has the curious distinction of being one of the only video game tunes I know in the key of G-flat major. This small piece of trivia will end up being the fulcrum of our dilemma. Please observe now, by mine own hand, a transcription of Traverse Town. For those new to the lead sheet format, the letters above the staff indicate the current appropriate chord to be played. After the first system, there are no clefs or key signatures due to their redundancy. At first sight of this ugly scribble, several problems may come to your awareness. Our key signature, G-flat major, has an uncomfortable amount of flats. Our melody, the emotive drive of the piece, has a discomforting amount of flats. Our chords, the music's rational structure, has a non-comfortable amount of flats. Altogether, a lifeless rag. Now, it's not very common for me to muster up the courage to declare a piece of my opinion as pure, absolute, perfect wisdom, but I think I might have one for the music writer people out there. No musician of any skill, at any place, in any time, wants to read chord symbols with double accidentals. Double flats, double sharps, double naturals, leave them at home and try again. But here is the bind. This piece of sheet horror to which you are exposed, and backed by my professional endorsement, is accurate. Within the utilitarian confines of the lead sheet, this is Traverse Town, exactly as you heard it on your PlayStation 2. The melody is accurate, the chords are accurate, the form is accurate. I even put a little medium swing up in the corner so you know to gimmick up the eighth notes. So now you are the intrepid music engraver. You thirst for competence and you hunger for brilliance. The notes and chords are theoretically right, but there's so much needless ink on the page that it's impractical for honest use. What is the solution? I'll give you two, an okay one and my favorite. The passable option is this. Take G-flat major and simply respell it as F-sharp major. It may even be the case that you assumed F-sharp in the first place. G-flat and F-sharp are enharmonic equals, they are interchangeable, so it works out just fine. And while we retain 6 accidentals in the key sig, hashtags instead of B's this time, our chords and melody are better off for it because we are cleansed of those nasty double flats. Now, I would have no problem reading this. It's adequate and effective, but it fails at being elegant. Please allow me to reach my climax and show you the business. Put your gaze upon this. By transposing the entire chart up a half step, putting it now in G instead of F sharp, look at how neat and clear it's become. No more awful key signatures, no more double accidentals, and what was the price paid for this makeover? The exact original key of the tune. But there's even an answer for that. A small blurb at the bottom stating the original key of the tune. For the pros who even care about that level of detail, it is fully disclosed for them to transpose to their own satisfaction. The rest of us will be just fine in G. When we prepare sheet music for public consumption, it is important to remember the enormous range of proficiencies that may find our charts. The eyeballs that gaze upon your music could be those of a grizzled, skilled veteran or of a young, eager student. So, for the benefit of all of them, let's keep it clean. Thanks for watching.